my channel. It is one of my favorite videos to film. We are going to be doing a Pusheen unboxing for the summer of 2020. So I have a whole playlist with all of my Pusheen unboxings. Basically every season you get a new box of goodies. Sometimes there's a theme correlating to like the season, like in this case summer. Sometimes it doesn't really correlate. It's just random cute box full of goodies. This box actually does have a theme. It's Camp Pusheen. It says it on the box itself. So we're just gonna dive right in. I have not seen any of these items except for one of the sneak peeks, which I think maybe one of the vinyl toy. So here's what the card looks like. This is, yeah, that's the vinyl toy. That's the sneak peek I had. I'm gonna just quickly give you a quick look. We're gonna jump right into the first item, which is a clothing piece. I love when they bring clothing pieces. So this features Pusheen in his little camp scarf thing, and it says Camp Pusheen. It's a really nice teal color with some blue trim, and this is in a size small. I generally size down just because I think they run a little bit big, and this is no exception, but this will look cute tucked into some kind of shorts, jeans, etc. So we're starting this box strong. That's a pretty good one. Next item is also quite large, and it fits the campfire theme very well. This is a thermos. It is really cute. Again, same like scarfed Pusheen with his little, it looks like a Boy Scout thing, like a little scarf. I said he. Ooh, okay. I said he. I meant to say she. I do not know why I always misgender Pusheen like that. I always assume it's a boy. I'm sorry. I keep slipping up, and it's been years since I've started this. And I didn't even realize it until like a subscriber mentioned it, or someone stopping by mentioned it. But yes, we have a beautiful thermos. It says here, take food anywhere with this thermos, which comes with a foldable spoon. So that's awesome. Very practical, but also very cute. My type of item. We also have a reusable straw with case. Same camp logo. Very cute logo. I think the straw is blue. It says here the silicone straw is eco-friendly and comes with a portable carrying case. That's cool. I already have a reusable straw. It would be nice if it didn't come wrapped in plastic. It happens, you know. The next item is the vinyl toy. I think this is what I had the sneak peek of. So it features Pusheen and Stormy over a campfire roasting some really cute marshmallows. This is adorable. I love it. Another pretty large item that I'm not going to unwrap right now is a picnic blanket. So it says here, it says picnic blanket, but over here it says it a little differently. This portable blanket has a waterproof back and is ideal to sit on any outdoor activity. Wow, I love this. This is actually pretty adorable. I think this is a nice sized item for this box. I like when it feels like we're getting bang for our buck. You know what I mean? That helps. Next item is a plushie. So this is Pusheen holding a really soft, beautiful marshmallow. And yeah, it's pretty cute. Stuffed animals are always cute. They generally always come in this size for the subscription box. We're down to the last two items. This is a vintage style felt pennant. Show your love with Pusheen. Super cute. It has the campfire thing on it. This would be a cute like wall decor item in your room. I definitely like it. And then last but not least, we have some patches. So it says here, this patch set can be ironed on to decorate your jacket, bag, or a cap. So this is really cute. They both say Camp Pusheen, just in two different sizes and shapes. I definitely like that as well. I think it's cute. Something that you can actually wear and incorporate into your style. This Pusheen box was really nice. I am thoroughly impressed. Much better than I expected. I think it's just as good, if not a little bit better than last month's box, but I don't even remember. Last month's box had more of an earthier green tone to it, where this is more like camp and having fun and doing summer activities, which is a little difficult during a pandemic, but I definitely appreciate it. This was a great box. Let me know what you think down below. Do you have a Pusheen box subscription? Or what kind of subscriptions do you have? I'm curious to know down below, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.